Hi friends, for our math game today, we're going to do number towers. We're going to count and build. Now I'm going to show you this using a couple of different manipulatives. I have snap cubes like this here in our classroom. If you have something like this at home or Legos, you can use those. Or you can use our erasers that I gave you, or you could even use pom-pom balls. Okay, so you have some different things you can use. So like I said, if you have snap cubes, you could use those. You can use our erasers, or you can even use the pom-pom balls. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to count each balloon. So I'm going to count the dots. 1, 2, 3. Now I'm going to build a cube tower with 3 blocks. 1, 2, 3, and I'm going to put it on top. Now I'm going to move to the next one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, this time I'm going to show you using stacking erasers. So I'm going to put 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, friends, so as you can see, you can use all different kind of materials. You can use the snap cubes, erasers, or your pom-pom balls. You could also use Legos if you have them, or something else if you have some other kind of building cubes as well. So you're going to go through and count each balloon and then put how many. Now, another fun way to play this is you could play with a partner. So if your mom or dad want to play with you, or a brother or sister, you could play together and take turns counting. All right, have fun, and I will see you back soon.